Good afternoon and welcome to the 2021 RUSD Career Technical Education Showcase, Health and Medical Industry Sector Panel Discussion. I am Cheryl Tamayo and I teach in the Biomedical Science program at Arlington High School. Today I am joined by fellow Health and Medical Industry Sector teachers from Martin Luther King High School and Ramona High School, and our Biomedical Science and Health Academy students, Norma Reyes and Alexis Martinez from Ramona High School, and Andrew Martin and Emily Torres from Arlington High School. Today, our students will share their experiences in CTE and how they have pivoted their career engagement, academics, technical mastery, and professional skills this school year. I am going to start by asking some questions. This first question is for Andrew. Andrew, what kind of academic knowledge have you gained this year in your program, and how is that knowledge connected to the career content that you've learned?
Thank you, Ms. Tamayo. That's a great question. In year 4 Biomed, we do a lot focused on preparing kids for their careers, whether or not they are wanting to attend four-year university or they want to go straight into a technical career. So for me, our internship assignment and program at the beginning of the year was beneficial because I got experience working for a business in that environment, in that work pace, all kinds of experience, and I met people that I think will help me later on in life, just knowing people, as well as, our capstone projects. We get to choose what we want to work on, which is great for two reasons. One being, creativity. I get to focus on something that I love, but also if I'm doing something that I like, that's going to prepare me for the career that I want. And for me, that meant writing a paper, conducting a full experiment, and all of those skills prepared me for the career that I am looking forward to joining.
Wonderful. Thank you, Andrew. Question 2 is for Norma. Norma, explain some of the hands-on technical mastery and know-how that you've engaged in with your CTE program.
So some hands-on techniques that I've learned is CPR. CPR is something that helps us resuscitate people. And if there's an obstruction inside of a child's mouth or an adult, we know how to sweep it out. We learn how to do vital signs, which is check blood pressure, check their pulse and respiration breaths. Another thing we learned is how to use an EpiPen, which helps people who are allergic to something, and we can help them, get back to normal.
Great. Thank you so much, Norma. Our next question is for Emily. Emily, what are some non-tangible or professional skills that you've developed alongside the technical and academic knowledge or content?
Thank you. And I'd say that a couple of non-tangible skills that I've learned during my years in Biomed is definitely teamwork. We worked in groups almost every year, and we not only working as a team to create new ideas or combine ideas, we actually make friends, and so that's really nice. Another thing is definitely public speaking when we're presenting our projects, presentations, our conclusions, analysis, all that stuff is really great. Adding on with time management for assignments or just lab works in general that are timed. And another thing is career readiness and college readiness, which adds into the teamwork, public speaking, and time management, which is all just put together to get ourselves ready for college or our future careers or both.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Emily. Question number 4 is for Andrew again. Andrew, what are the most important skills you offer to potential employers when they're looking to hire someone like you?
Well, so first of all, we do learn a lot of technical skills in the program, a lot of hands-on learning, and that includes problem solving. We're not always given the answer, and a lot of the time it's us figuring out the problem between our group members or just by ourselves, which creates a lot of growth, but also a lot of practice in problem solving. You're not always going to have someone give you the answer in your career, in your job, but so problem solving, and also especially that focus on just technical career If you don't want to go the 4-year college route, we learn a lot of hands-on technical skills that prepare you for that.
Great. Thank you so much, Andrew. Alexa, the next question is for you. How has your experience in this program changed the way you think about the variety of career possibilities in the field of healthcare and biotechnology?
I could say that in my experience in this program that I chose, I could definitely say that the way I look at opportunities and possibilities is changed. And I say this because choosing the program that our school has, it's called HCA, which stands for Health Careers Academy, and also our instructor, Ms. Zivia, she has taught us not to be afraid of um, looking out and looking for the path that we want to go to, and not to be afraid of challenging ourselves and challenging other people to get the spot that we want and the path that we want to go uh, through.
Wonderful. Thank you, Alexa. This next question is for Emily. Emily, how has this CTE program prepared you to stand apart from your peers?
I feel that this program has helped me stand out because I'll have some professional and technical skills that others may not have, as well as having connections and opportunities with programs, apprenticeships, internships, and then also since a couple field trips that we've gone on over the years, for example, Inspire Her Mind, which is for women especially, and seeing those career industries where women are the ones taking over, and that's just really great to see. And I feel like having all that knowledge and experience will really helps me stand out.
Wonderful. Thank you, Emily. This next question is for Alexa again. Alexa, what's the most memorable or exciting experience you have from working in this program?
The most memorable experience I had from HCA was when our sophomore year, when we got to go to UCR as a field trip, and we went on their campus to do their rope course, and it was fun because the whole class was there, and we got to communicate and help each other conquer their UCR rope course. And if anyone was like scared or if they were afraid of heights, we like it's this word called hype. So we hype them up to not be to not be scared and finish what they started. And um, I would I could also say with that communication, we got that from Ms. Vivia, because she showed us what communication was, and also, like I said earlier, not to be afraid to accomplish what you started.
That's wonderful. Thank you, Alexa. And this last question is for Norma. Norma, what are your plans for after high school?
So my plans for after high school is to go to college, find a college that has a study abroad program, and study in Europe, to learn different techniques in medicine, and to have a great experience, and maybe learn some things that I didn't know here. Um, yeah, and I plan to look at those colleges during class in HCA with Ms. Zuvia.
That's great. Thank you so much. And thanks again to all the students who just shared out and participated in our Q&A session. This concludes the 2021 RUSD CTE Showcase Health and Medical Industry Sector Panel discussion. I want to thank the student panel and my colleagues for their valuable input today. I would also like to thank our industry partners watching this video for supporting RUSD CTE students. RUSD Career Technical Education, where students are career ready, period.